Seagate Backup Exec for Windows 95. It's attracting intelligent life from all over the galaxy. With Seagate Backup Exec, you don't have to fiddle with complicated options. Click just one button to back up your entire system. Seagate Backup Exec's powerful catalog search helps you locate files for restore. Search the catalog by name, location, or date. Find the files you need faster than the speed of light. Your busy schedule may not allow the time to perform regular backups. Automated data protection ensures that your data is backed up on a regular basis. You don't even have to open Backup Exec. The program runs in the background while you work on other projects. With the Emergency Restore feature, you're prepared for the unexpected. If disaster strikes, the recovery disk quickly rebuilds your system so you can restore your data. Seagate's network support reaches out to secure your files. Network support backs up data on network servers and workstations, including binary and trustee information on NetWare 3.x. Plug-and-play support automates installation and configuration of your devices. Backup Exec supports quick, SCSI, and a tappy tape devices, as well as zip, jazz, and power drives. You can also back up to any device you see in the Windows Explorer. Backup Exec is loaded with accelerated features providing total data security and extensive support. Seagate Backup Exec, it's out of this world.